Hello children, let us play a game. I have placed some things on the mat in groups and one of the thing is different from others in each group. Now we are going to identify that which things are same in a group and which is different from it. In this row you can see some vegetables. That are 3 potatoes and 1 tomato. So, potatoes are same and tomato is different. So, tomato is odd one out. In the second row, there are 3 pencils with same color and same size. But there is one object which is not similar to them. That is crayon. So crayon is a different object that is odd one out. Now take your alphabet book. Open page number 10. And take crayon. On this page you can see some letters. In the first row there are 4 letters. 3 are same and 1 is different. Now let us find which letter is different. This is capital A. This is capital A. This is capital A. But this is capital C. So C is a different. C is odd one out. We will draw a circle around letter C. In the second row, there are 4 letters. This is capital B. This is capital D. This is capital B. And this is also capital B. In this row, which letter is different? Yes, D letter is different. D letter is odd one out. We will draw a circle around letter D. In the third row, there are 4 letters. 3 letters are same and 1 letter is different. Now let us find which letter is different. This is capital C. This is capital C. This is capital C. But this is capital B. So B is a different. B is odd one out. We will draw a circle around letter B. In the fourth row, there are 4 letters. 3 letters are same and 1 letter is different. This is capital D. This is capital A. This is capital D. This is capital D. Come on, tell me in this row which letter is different? Yes, A letter is different. A letter is odd one out. We will draw a circle around letter A. I hope you understood the concept of odd one out. Thank you.